I was in the Swedish military back when I was living in Sweden, and we did a lot of trainings against helicopters. And my job was a gunner on a combat boat. So my job was protecting the platoon from deck. And I had this program. As soon as I hear a helicopter, I freaked out. I just froze up and like I was looking for where it came from. And this came with me the whole time. I hated it. I hated hearing helicopters.
And you're living in LA.
Yeah. And sometimes over here, they really heavy military helicopters flying over, and I froze up right away. And it was like, I don't like this. I know it's nothing to worry about. And I was sitting in my chair in my bedroom and reading, and a helicopter came, and I froze up. And then I just remembered the technique. I did the tapping technique a few times. A few minutes later, another helicopter came. I never felt it again. And I felt that release as I did it the first time, right there in that moment. And ever since, I haven't felt it. And I really think about it every time I hear a helicopter. I'm like, it's gone. That PTSD or whatever, it's gone. So it was great. It was awesome. I appreciate you, Michael. This is great stuff. Good to see all of you.
Absolutely. Great to hear you put it to use and knowing it to some level of unconscious competence. So when the helicopter came, you're feeling the emotions, you're able to just bust it out and do it, which is the important part. Is to learn this stuff, go to the class, go through the 5 days. I help program you to success in the most way I can in 5 days to help you learn this. And then when things come up, you can actually use it and clear it for good. Yep. And you said you felt the release. What did the release actually feel like when it happened?
When you get the chills, you're like, ooh, brr, like something happened. You just get the tingle throughout the body. That I felt that so many times doing this technique.